In this video, I'm going to be answering one of the most common questions is like, Diana, when do I need to start my email list? Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be talking about when do you need to start your email list if you have an online business. It doesn't matter if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're doing uh, MRR or the master result right thing, or if you have your own product, your own service. This can be a physical product, just like this one, or maybe you're doing drop shipping. Okay, you need to understand that you need to start your email list from day one. Okay, you need to start your email list from day one, and you need to be 100% clear with this. You don't own your social media presence. Okay. Me, myself, I do have my Instagram account. I have a TikTok account. I have a Facebook account. I have my YouTube channel. I even have a blog. But I need to understand that the money is in the list. And I need to understand that I do not own that online presence. Okay. If for some reason Instagram decide to, hey, we don't want your account anymore, and they decided to shut it down. Even the same thing happened with this YouTube channel. And I know people that they have already lost so far 5 Instagram accounts, but because they do have an email list, that's the reason why they're still in business. Okay. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that you don't own your online presence. Okay. You don't own it. Okay. You are borrowing it. Okay. And that's one of the reasons why you need to understand this. Okay. Now, chances are that you are right now like, hey, Diana, okay, you're telling me that I need to have my email list. I need to start from day one. What else you can tell me about why do I need an email list? Okay. You need to understand that the money is in the list. Okay. The money is in the list. What do I mean by this? Nowadays, if you, and this is on average, if you want to earn $1,000 extra, you need to have 1,000 contacts on your email list. Okay. You need to have $1,000 on your email list if you want to earn $1,000 extra. Now, the list is yours. Okay. If you have some issue with your autoresponder, literally you can download it and you can move it to another autoresponder because this is the only thing that belongs to you. This is a challenge. It's a one-to-many communication, but it looks like it is actually one-to-one because whenever you're sending one email, you're sending it to one person. Okay. So they are not distracted when they're getting your emails. Okay. Email marketing is not dead. Email marketing has been here forever and it's going to stay here forever. If you pay attention to what top affiliates are doing, what top people in your industry, in your niche are doing, everybody has an email list. Okay. Everybody has an email list because the money is in the list. The money is in the relationship that you have with the people who are actually in your list. Okay. This is something that you actually need to understand. Okay. Here is actually where the money is. The other thing is that you can upload this, for example, to Facebook, and you can tell Facebook, like, hey, I would like to find people who are similar to the list here. Okay. If they do have a Facebook account registered with this email, Facebook is going to be doing the match and they're going to be like, okay, now you have these people who are interested. You have also a buyers list. Okay. I can find people who have, um, similar interested, like the segment that you just uploaded to me. Okay. So it's another way in which you can actually optimize your Facebook ad campaign. Okay. If you want to really make like money overnight, literally you just need to create a follow-up series. Also, you can send a newsletter and you can test different um, products and services. Okay, how do you do this? Well, in my case, I'm using ClickFunnels and GetResponse. If you want to open a new account, you can use the link below so you can open a free ClickFunnels account and free GetResponse account. Okay, those have free trials. There is another tool that I recommend. I'm using it. I'm going to show you in a moment. It's called System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account. This is an all-in-one marketing solution. And if you're just getting started, hey, they have like really great results. Okay, I'm going to show you more about that in a moment. That's exactly the tool that I'm going to be showing you. Okay, if you want to, first you will need to have an opt-in page. Okay, because we need to capture their name and email, right? Then we are going to be depending, you can be doing a bridge page, okay? But the most important thing here is that you need to capture their name and email so you can have that information and you can start sending email, okay? So here on System.io, once you already open your account with the link below, you're going to go here where it says websites. Then you're going to go and click here where it says sales funnels. These are all the funnels that I have so far. And you're going to click here where it says create. Okay, here you're going to have on YouTube. Here I already have a domain register. Again, and what are you going to be doing? I'm going to be building an audience. Don't worry about the currency because we're not going to be taking payments. Okay, so save here. Now I'm going to click it. And one cool thing about System.io is that they already give me the pages that I need. Okay, here's the squeeze page in which you are going to be capturing their name and email. Here you're going to have the thank you page. Okay, so you can literally choose the design that you want. It can be as simple as you want. It can be as complicated as you want. You can use the template. You can modify it. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need to be a programmer. Okay, literally you can choose the one that you want. Like say that this is the one that I'm going to be looking for. You're going to click it. Here is a preview of how it actually looks like. You can remove the things that you don't want to use. And literally you're going to click here where it says select. Okay, the same with the thank you page. They do have multiple options for you to choose. You're going to take the one that you like. Let's say that I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to click it. I can preview it the same. I can remove the things that I don't want to use. Okay, this is a drag and drop builder. So it's actually really cool. And you can actually edit it. Okay, once you have it, there is one thing that there are two things that you will need to do. Okay, first, you're going to go here where it says emails. Here on newsletters are like broadcast messages. That means that you're going to be sending them one time and one time only. This is not going to be sent automatically in the way that people are going to be getting them like an evergreen email sequence. No, it's not like that. Okay. Let's say you're running a Black Friday promo. Okay. So it's a one-time thing during the year. So you're going to send it as a newsletter. If you want to create automate email sequence, you're going to click here where it says campaign. Okay. I'm going to click here. Here's the campaigns that I do have. Let me show you this one because chances are that people are like wondering about the deliverability right now. This is the one that I started recently. As you can see, the deliverability is actually really high. If you want to actually create an email, okay, you're going to click here where it says, first, you will need to create the campaign. So you are going to click here where it says campaign. I'm going to put here YouTube. Okay, select the domain. I already have my email here. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click here where it says save. And now I don't have any email. So you're going to click here where it says create. You're going to put the subject. I'm going to put YouTube. Okay, here's my name, my email address. You can have a visual editor. I usually use the classic editor. That's the one that I like to use. Here, you're going to have the subject again. Here, you're going to click the paragraph. Here, you're going to have if you want to personalize it with the name. Okay, here is the code that you can use. It's also here as well. Okay, you can write the email. And here, you're going to be saving it and publish it. Okay, where do you want it active? Since you don't have another email, that's the only one that's going to be here. Since you're going to be creating your campaign, how soon they're going to get it. Okay, the first one is on day 0. And click here what it says activated. I'm not going to activate it because, I'm not on this. Another thing that you need to do with System.io is that you go to automations and you need to activate a workflow. Okay, here are some of the workflows that I have, and you have to go here and create it. Okay, I'm going to put the same YouTube here. I'm going to save it. Then I'm going to click here. Okay, and here is, okay, what's the trigger? The trigger is I want to add people to my list. So when someone subscribes to the funnel, okay, you're going to choose the page that you want. Let me go with this one, for example. Boom, boom. Okay, here I create it. So that's the trigger. And then what's the action? Okay, the action is that I want to subscribe them to a campaign. Okay, and here I have to choose the campaign that I want. I can create it here. Okay, then you're gonna exit it, and you need to make sure that this one is active. This one is not active, as you can see, it's gray, and you click here where it says activated. I'm not gonna activate it because this is just to show you how you can do this with System.io. Remember that you can open a free account. By the way, guys, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description so you can learn more about how you can make money online. Okay. So that link is also going to be in the description. So again, if you're really serious about making money online, definitely you need to have an email list. Okay. Definitely you need to have an email list. Definitely this is something that you need to start from day one if you're really serious about it. And remember that you can start for free with System.io. So this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.